Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here with Paramount Property Investments. I'm at a 3-bed, 1-bath ranch style home in Canton, Ohio. Just taking a quick property tour. So we're just out looking at houses, trying to wrap up 2018 on a strong note. For those of you who are in the Stark Summit County area, please stay tuned on all social media sites. We're going to be hosting a free real estate seminar on how to buy, sell, and invest in today's market. Time and date is still being determined, but just definitely stay posted. Also, just wanted to let you know that we're looking to end the year on a strong note. So we definitely want to at least get another property under contract before the year's over with. So if you have a house that you're thinking about selling, please give us a call, 330-685-2220. This property in particular, I'm working with some buyer clients. So this is a full retail market value home. So we do help people buy and sell as well, just as a service to the public. But if you are a homeowner that doesn't have a property this nice, even if you have a property this nice, but you're just looking for a quick, easy sale without paying real estate commissions or closing costs or anything like that, you can definitely give us a call. We will make a fair offer on your home to get the property off your hands. If you have a property that's not this nice, that does need some repair, has some deferred maintenance, give us a call. We buy properties in as-is condition, even if it doesn't look as pretty as this one. Okay? So you're not going to have to make any repairs. You're not going to have to spend any realtor fees or sit on the market for months and months. We close deals. We try to close deals on the daily. So you can reach me directly at 330-685-2220 or send me an email, tony@investparamount.com, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.